Surgical update in stomach cancer. Stomach cancer may be a cardia, fundus, body, pylorus. The operation is D2 lymphadenectomy. There is a very important, some tips and tricks about D2 lymphadenectomy. If you do a radical gastrectomy, you remove only D1. D1, it is a perigastric lymph node, 3 centimeters away from the greater curvature. But D2, I mean by D2, skeletonization of celiac trunk and its major branches, splenic artery up to the spleen, hepatic artery, and followed in the porta hepatis, and ligate in separate left gastric artery. You should remove at least 16 lymph nodes. You can do it open or laparoscopy. Laparoscopy is to some extent difficulty in splenic hilum lymph node. We see that you should skeletonize the splenic artery. You remove all the lymph node in the splenic artery until its peripheral branches in the spleen. This area to have some difficulty to do lymphadenectomy by laparoscopy. What is the advantage of D2? D2, it increase overall survival. It is increase also recurrent free survival by decrease of recurrence. I should resect the spleen or not with proximal radical gastrectomy, as we do in the past. We should only remove the spleen if there is focal lesions or infiltrate by tumor or splenic hilum lymph node is unresectable. These 3 cases, I should remove the spleen. What is the type of operation in stomach cancer? Total radical gastrectomy. You remove the stomach completely, or proximal radical gastrectomy, distal radical gastrectomy, subtotal gastrectomy, near total gastrectomy, according to the site of the tumor. In all circumstances, you should or you must resect the lesser curvature with its connective tissue and lymphatic bearing tissue. Cancer stomach have a bad prognosis, so that you should be radical from the start. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy now have a role in a locally advanced stomach cancer. If the pathology comes with poorly differentiated tumor, you should exclude lymphoma from poorly differentiated adenocarcinoma. Some Italian school see that if